Hi guys, my name is Adil Shafiq and I'm from Gadget Republic. Today I'm gonna discuss about how we refurbish a broken screen. So what you require in order to refurbish a broken screen, these are some of the parts as I've explained, the different components and what you can have in the variation side of it. So I'll start with the glass. So this is basically a glass which you require. So the most of the time what it is your glass get broken and then you need to get it replaced, and the other side of it, when we replace it, the actual LCD, it has the digitizer. In the coming videos I will explain about how they work and things like that, but we'll stick with this at the moment. So this is the glass. This thing, we change it, but there are like three other components we require in order to basically refurbish them, and use them again. So this is the glass, and the other piece of component is called ochre. Ochre is just like an adhesive. It sticks to it. It sticks to the glass, and as you can see, this is pretty transparent. I mean, there is nothing in between. So we peel the both sides, and it's just like stick it here. And why do we do that? We do it because of this third component. I mean, it's called polarizer. What it is that if you, for example, if you don't place the polarizer in the correct way, then it could basically you can't see anything what's on the LCD. So this is the polarizer. What we do, we just peel it off and place it, place it on your. We don't actually do it on the glass. We actually do it on the screen, and I will show you how we do that in the coming videos. So this is the third piece of equipment, or the piece of rather like component we require in order to replace and refurbish. And lastly is this frame here. So this is just the frame, and it goes like on this, and then you will have your complete a frame. I mean, if we have these four, we call them 4-in-1, and I will show you later on what I mean by 4-in-1. But at the moment, these are the four things you require in order to refurbish your screen. So I will show you the different variations and how they look like, when it comes to 2-in-1, 3-in-1, and 4-in-1. So at the moment I'm holding three different frames. So this one here, this is cold press, because we always use cold press frames. This is really nice. It's really firm. And when you try to place that on the phone, it sticks on pretty well, pretty nicely. Very thin sort of frame, but it's pretty hard. Like you got to use some force in order to make this sort of disassemble it or whatever. So this is 2-in-1. It just got the glass and it got the frame. It hasn't got the ochre, which is the adhesive. It hasn't got the polarizer. So we call this 2-in-1. And then we have 3-in-1. So what 3-in-1 is, obviously you got the front glass, which often get broken, and then we have ochre paper here. So we call it ochre paper. Is like adhesive. So why we use this? Because then we just simply place broken LCD, or just the LCD, and then on top of it with polarizer, and then we just place it on here, and then goes to the lamination machine. So this is 3-in-1, cold press frame, ochre paper, and the glass. So this is 3-in-1. I've shown you the 2-in-1, and I'll move on to the 4-in-1. So this is 4-in-1. As I've explained to you, the four different components required in order to have a 4-in-1 is like glass, then is the ochre paper, and then on top of ochre paper is your polarizer. When you get to a certain level, then it is highly recommended that and plus is time saving as well if you use 4-in-1. But you got to have a very meticulous sort of planning in order to do that. Why I'm saying this is, if you leave the 4-in-1 too long outside, like when you place it on an LCD and you leave it for too long and put it in the lamination machine, you often end up having so many bubbles, which is just not advisable. So if you're new into this, I recommend using 3-in-1. Reason being is it's pretty easy. Like, all you have to do is basically on the screen you put your polarizer, and there you go. And it's really easy. 3-in-1. 4-in-1 is time saving because you don't have to worry about the polarizer. So I've just shown you the variation and the components. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe my channel. It just gives me sort of encouragement and motivation to make more videos. So I just want to help you guys. As I said again, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you. Bye.